Hey guys, it's Jada again. If you don't know me, never heard of me, quite probably. My name is Jada. I am the owner of a shop called the GG Shop. And what I do here is talk about illustration and passive income. But what I would do and what I really hope to do is helping others into giving them the resources to be someone like me, someone that can earn money just selling illustrated illustrated digital art. But today's video is going to be about copyright. And we will talk about, or actually, I will talk about the fall of Mickey Mouse into public domain. So, first of all, uh, it's not going to be just Mickey Mouse being into the public domain. This is not correct. What is going to be into public domain is the Steamboat Willie kind of Mickey Mouse. I will put somewhere here a little miniature image so you can remember. And that was the first Mickey Mouse ever made available to the public in a short movie cartoon-like series. This year, in November 2023, Disney already knows that this character will be free of any copyright. So it will fall into public domain. What does it mean? Does it mean that you can take the Mickey Mouse from the Steamboat Willie and do whatever you want? Like cutting stickers from it, making t-shirts of every kind. Not really, to be precise. Not really, um, because they still own trademark. But we will discuss later what trademark is. You can use the Steamboat Willie kind of character. However, it should be your own version, okay? Your own version of the Steamboat Willie character. So simply put, in other words, it must be and look like something else. Just to make another example, Winnie the Pooh, we know, we know all, poor Winnie the Pooh, recently fell into public domain because copyright ended, and this is valid for all copyrights. The copyright ends when 100 years has passed and the author is dead. And so there is no one that can renew the copyright. So there's no one that after the author can go and trademark the first main original character. Therefore, now being the fact that Willy the Pooh is now in the public domain, I don't know if you know, but someone had the horrific and terrible idea to create a horror movie where the main character, was a killer Winnie Pooh. Uh, I don't know what to say. I mean, this person, I want you to know, you ruined my childhood, but that's fine. So I will put some miniature over here somewhere. So what this person did was taking the name of Winnie the Pooh that is now free of any copyright, but he created a new Winnie the Pooh from scratch. So instead of creating another sweetie and childish Winnie the Pooh that talks like this, he created this monstrosity of Winnie the Pooh that was violent, aggressive, potentially a serial killer. I don't know because I don't have the bravery that someone should have to watch a movie like that. No offense, do not come for me, huh? um, but yes, basically. So, in other words, if you are able to create your own version of Mickey Mouse, Steamboat Willie Mickey Mouse, but it must be your unique idea, and it shouldn't look like the mouse that we know. You are free to do it. Okay, you can do it. Another example is Alice in Wonderland. Wonderland. Alice Alice in Wonderland does not belong um, to Walt Disney. In fact, the original movie was from the Anderson brothers. I think I am right, yes. Um, but now the copyright of the original Alice in Wonderland is over. So you are free to use it, to use the image from that book, the original book, Alice in Wonderland, and not the movie. The movie, the Disney movie Alice in Wonderland is not in the public domain, so don't get confused. What goes into the public domain is the main character. And what we see in Disney, these are all copyrighted material. And also they are trademark material. So they trademarked Mickey Mouse, just to make an example, which is like pretty much some sort of patenting the facial features, the shapes of the character, and so on and so forth. While copyright will maintain protection over an individual original idea.